I offered her $200 for it. She took it, and I spent $300 getting it out of the yard. I'm a carpenter seamstress. I've done all the work myself except the electrical, and I did it in 2 months. And so I'm really super proud that I made it up here.
So everyone, this is Beverly, and she's telling us all about her camper. What year is it?
This is a 1960 Field and Stream, 13 feet.
And what condition was it in when you got it?
It was rotten to the core, and it was just in horrible shape. In fact, everybody I took to look at it discouraged me from buying it and even attempting to restore it.
And was it already cut open like that?
Yes, it was. It was a concession stand, and it was full of cooking equipment, big gas grill, about 1,000 styrofoam cups in the closet. And demolition day was very interesting.
And what everybody's probably going to ask, do you get any leaks from that opening?
No, I don't. It fits very securely, and it has a little rain shield on top.
Okay.
No rain, no water coming in there.
Do you know how much it weighs?
I would guess it weighs about 1,800 pounds. I haven't
Okay.
weighed it. It has a lot of chunky lumber because when I rebuilt it, I went oversized to give it more stability. So I'm a carpenter seamstress. I did all the work myself except the electrical.
And Beverly is a sister on the fly, so she is dressed as a saloon girl.
That's
because
right.
What is the name of this camper?
Lil Red, but for this event, it's Lil Red Saloon.
And are you serving drinks?
I do have some drinks, but I don't know if that's okay to serve them.
Okay, let's look at the inside.
Okay, come on in.
We see the crowd gathering with all the saloons open.
So she has storage under the bed here. Is there anything you want to tell me about the inside? She's got a vent at the top. Do you have air conditioning?
I do not have air conditioning. There's still a little bit of things to be done to it. It's a very small twin bed. These bases are actually an old waterbed frame, so I'm really into repurposing things. I built this bench. It's a little flip-up storage. Covers the wheel well. I covered these in kind of a fake leather just to add some detail. I love the multicolor walls. This is original door.
Is that a bathroom in there?
No, it's a closet that's unfinished.
Okay.
About 2 days ago, I put the countertop in, which is a repurposed cedar door. It's a beautiful cedar door.
It is beautiful. Look at that.
I love wood. I really, really love cedar. I love beautiful wood. So this was the last thing I did before leaving home. I was really down to the line. So there's a few things not finished, but I'm super proud of it. And there's just something about breathing life back into a vintage camper that just is what I love to do. And this is about my 5th project.
Do you flip them and sell them, or do you keep them?
I own 3 right now. So
okay.
But I just love it. It brings me a lot of joy to.
And you've got a live edge shelf here.
I do. It's cute.
What's your favorite part of this camper?
Oh my goodness, my favorite part. I think this right here, which you don't see, is another live edge wood. I really love that. It has a little chapstick holder right there. It's just a little natural indentation. I need to put my chapstick in there.
Perfect. And the windows open, they slide?
They do. They slide.
Very cozy.
Thank you so much.
Now, how wide is your bed? Do you know?
I'm not sure. It's a very small twin, but I slept fine last night. Very first night to sleep in it.
Oh, since you got it?
Yes.
How long have you had it?
I've had it 2 years, but I only started restoring it about 2 months ago.
So okay.
It's been quite a project. Here's my chapstick. There's my little natural chapstick holder right here. I love that.
She's going to put that in there.
Yes, there's a little natural chapstick holder.
Okay. I have a thing in my car that I say it's there for my little mini hand sanitizer.
Yes. I did 2-sided curtains because I didn't want so much red in here. So
they're red on the other side.
They're red on the outside and they're...
I gotta get a picture.
Do you want to show us anything on the outside?
Sure. Let's go around back.
Okay. Oh, she has a flower box.
I built the flower box. I cut these shutters down from full-size shutters. They were really long. Habitat fine for $15. This is just this was a numbered sign, but the camper's name is Lil Red, and it's a little beat up, but it's 62 years old. So
It has character.
it has character.
Oh, yes. Ow.
Thank you, Beverly.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you so much.
I'm going to do some still shots inside,
Okay.
and then everybody make sure you hit that thumbs up for this little cute
Oh, I
one.
love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you on the next video, everybody.